Sailor. Sailor. Someone, guys. How's everyone? Guys, do you see a difference? Anyone any difference now? Why is my face like this? Hello, guys. Niya pilan. Nitira nini mode. I'm a baby. Hello. Abasogosi. Ne? Hi. Forehead that deserves a lot of kisses. Yes, you can kiss this forehead if you're gonna come and buy a car from me. Yeah, I'm based at halfway in Bagini, guys. So if you're interested in buying, why are my boobs so big? My boobs are literally so big. I don't know. I feel like they're out. Yeah, Sana, guys. Fetch some days in motor child. I'm selling cars, so if you are interested. Oh, hey, get it. Oh, cut it off. Oh, okay. I don't know. That's it. Allah, but it's wasn't pefula on. How much shame, eh? Wakhala kamnandi ake hello Siphisile in mansion ikuphi awe ma cha nibhadi. So guys, there's imoto simbarila. Yes, so there's imoto, guys. Zoo 10 rand by faith, so when she like 20 rand or so when I was at Uzulanda so yeah. Guys, install ilace naila, but it's melting. I don't know if I qualify for a car. Yes, I can check for you if you qualify for a car. So please send me a DM Sikulele and we can talk here via WhatsApp. So guys, if you're interested in buying a car, so please 20449688. So 20449688 pin. So yeah, guys, if you're interested in buying a car, please DM the number I've pinned. Just screenshot it. Basically, on WhatsApp. Guys, if you look at drop anyway, so it's fine. So if ufuna imoto, please DM the number I've pinned. So if you don't have a payslip, and if you're self-employed, because most people are self-employed, they do not have a payslip, you send your 3 months bank statement, your ID, and your driver's license. If you are self-employed. If you are employed, I need your 3 months bank statement, ID, driver's license, and a payslip at 3 months. Guys, so minimum requirement. Hello, Puri. So the minimum requirement is 7.5. You need to earn 7.5 per month, and you need to have a credit score of 610. But we do take 580, so do not stress. If you are wondering why is my credit score is very low, it's 581. Yes, you can try, but mostly we do take all 610. About 610. Level 580. It could be that a profile right like abakweleti lutho nje igama labo lihle yabo lento. So yeah, okay, Mac. I'm trying to screenshot. Okay, it's fine. then I'm short. Yeah, one more Mam Keys ngiyabonga Thamiso. Also thank you. Do I qualify for a car if I earn 11k after this deductions? Yes, you do qualify for a car. That is more than what we literally expect a person to pay, but like a person to earn, because usually you need to earn 7.5 minimum for you to qualify for a car. So you can qualify for any car that you want. It's fine. Each job plug. So there was interviews recently, so I'm not sure if they're still opening spots, but if you are looking for this job, check out my post, what is this? Yeah, check out my post, my account SM17 or like online, like on the internet. Yeah, if I corner right now I will come up post like 17. So but guys, if I corner ne ukhala kamnandi yazi ayibo kanjani manje kanjani. So do you have a crush? I don't have a crush, guys. I'm not crushing on anyone. I'm literally a single person selling cars, selling inywele, sneakers, iPhones. Tap the screen, my daughter. Yes, they must tap the screen so that a high engagement. So thank you so much. Martness. Hello, Vuser. Hi, Takalo. So guys, if you're funny moto, you need to earn 7.5 per month. You need to have a credit score of 610, but you do take 580. And my requirements: 3 months bank statement, 3 months pay slip, ID, driver's license. If you get a driver's license, then you can use the driver's license of your parent. If you don't have if your parents don't have a driver's license, if not, then get your spouse, someone who you married to. If not, then we can use a driver's license because we can say to the bank that so each driver's license has to be someone with the same surname as you, not abantu besifazane, only wako kuphela. If not wako, then you prefer ubhuti kababa wakho ubaba wakho oyingane yakho or umuntu oshadene naye yabo. So requirement for the job, you need to have a high engagement on social media, be able to relocate. You must be very active on social media kakhulu ukuze uzokwazi ukupromote izimoto. Kanti wawuziba mbuzo wami short. How mama Bhengu, what did you say? Angibonanga yazi Thando, cela ungiphindele umbuzo. Let me just check. I'm in Eswatini. Do I qualify for a car? Yes, you do qualify for a car. Which car are you looking for? But it's fine. We'll tap. I'll text you on TikTok right after I'm done with live. Yeah. So I'm not sure. If I get paid every if I get paid every Friday and tell my pay slip, it's fine because when what do you call this, really? You say costly, but if you call my pay slip and you get paid every Friday, it's fine. I was qualifier. If my pay slip if we accumulator a monthly L7.5, then you do qualify to get a car. So you're just gonna tell me which car you're looking for. I was just gonna talk about TikTok. If I please text me at 9688. Guys, you're pretty signers, how man. Pin. Yeah, guys, so if you are looking for a car, please DM the number I've pinned. For a car, guys, for a car. I think for no short, the salesperson. No, if for the emote, or should say, hi, shorty, I'm looking for this car, and then send a I'm now. Is my documents out for very full short. I'm your biggest fan, guys. Ngiyabonga for there for your support. Ngiyabonga cool. But as lala guys, need personally busy as well. Need personally busy because my WhatsApp is connected to the manager's laptop. So Jana Jumit why ukhuluma ne-supporter yakho, why ukhuluma ne-supporter yakho about Daisy whatever. So but sometimes I have to because I'm doing like sasebenza guys, sasebenza yabo. So yeah, someone sithanda umuhle ave ngifisa ukuhlangana nawe. Yes, Hlezini ngiyabonga. What you're doing, my dear. I literally have Vaseline on, guys. Only 8. You see hairstyle, guys. I'm selling this hair. How am I not going to say you? I mean, Daisy bought how my cousins got the Daisy again, and Imoto Ipuman for free. Imoto Ipuman my sneakers for free. Imoto Ipuman my iPhone for free. So in my iPhone, Mr. Sami, I'm also observing. Most of the motor game to manage iPhone Mahala, putting a J motor game, near US Mahala, putting a motor game, he must stickers a Mahala. So if we go as far as I lay, he has a really for free, Mutus Lisa, Yabo, and Mutus Fazani iPhone sneakers, Yabo, in the corner, not just any sneakers, Bantu sneakers, from the box. Delay, so my Putilisa Makita Mahala. Do not put Lisa yourself a new gift. I still like UJ. I've never been to UJ. TikTok pays you, no. TikTok does not pay me. Oh no, 10-inch with frontal. Yes, I do have a 10-inch standard. It's 610. It's 650 Jalo, not 610. It's 650. I not. Yeah, that's a look, they said my sneakers or you cannot wear a frontal how's work? Work has been busy, guys. Work has been busy. Literally today, I think I'm going to deliver a car, but I'm just not sure, guys. My friends, my customer guys, I sana. I think I'm a customer. When I sign a scene, yes, I do have a sinus, guys. Like it's been. I will when I Etios, yes, I do have a Etios. See, it ranges from 4,000 per month, plus minus 4,000. High short and a Polo, yes, I do have a Polo Vivo, and a Polo TSI. Madlamini Jan, Ayan Madlamini, he's a guys. My credit score is 610. Can I get a car? Yes, you can't get a car because sometimes minimum credit score is 580. If your profile is okay, like you don't have any problems with a profile, your name is very, very beautiful, then you can get a car. Donald, ngiyithathe ukushela inamba yakho ayibonge akwazi guys busana ukushela bafethu yazi last week it's ama lunch lokho eqhamuka nje Monday lunch Tuesday lunch Wednesday this day angitholanga lunch it's Friday it's last week lokho nithi nto exabeza ngelunch hayibo bafethu yazi umuntu usuthi guys ngiyabonga support kodwa phela ngiyasebenza la friends bazothi amadoda akho la niki lunch wena usebenzi busy awudayisa imoto busy la nama lunch awuniwa amadoda akho guys so ngiyacela benithenga imoto vele uyabongcono yabo ukuthi uzothatha uzonginika lunch bese hawu mfethu already imoto usuyithengile kimi yabo hayithi vele unginika lunch kuphela imoto uyithenga yabo ungusupport phela yabo leyo nto le yabo so guys and then the flu, yes, I do have a flu. And I didn't motor in as fast your mama. Your mama, unless you have a side business. So that is
Surandi moto.
Surandi
moto. I'm a fast. There's a in there, no me.
They say motivates he won't but you lose bazothola iy'nywele zamahala
imoto NSFAS kanjani Thando na ngicela imoto NSFAS ama-message bese awafundi ngeke there's 48
no I'm still going back yeah so it's got to bring text so Mike. Othando, if you have a side business, then you can get imoto ngo-NSFAS ne love. If mhlambe udayisa inywele yabo uyazivela uzo-add no-NSFAS, but it's I don't think it's a guarantee ukuthi uyazithola imoto ngo-NSFAS kuphela, because NSFAS ayake cheap Sam. NSFAS 1 point ba oyithola monthly, so yeah. Okay, girl, taking boy. Oh, guys, my phone imoto nayo la ma numbers ami. Hello, post. Uyaphila ntombi ngiyaphila mzukulu unjani? Hawusakhona lo shot dance? Yes, ngikhona. Bengizothi okay, yeah, sengiphendulile. Okay. Uzodance today? I think so. I think ngizodance. I'm not sure, guys. I'm still responding to people, right? So yo mama Jan lwam wake kuya uyobhala exam
Zisomisa kanjani? Ubuya nini?
I think in 2 weeks, because ucela leave ya 2 weeks.
Noma simfonele sizokuthi ugcine imise kanjani yena. Ngendaba manje zobuya manje.
Would you do your nails if you ever visit Zim? So what you gonna do my nails? Unayo i20 Hyundai. Yes, I do have an i20 Hyundai. Ayabonga. Unjani ngiyaphila Madlamini unjani? Hi sis Shorty, asikho yini installments at 350 or petrol? Akumnandanga uhamba ngenyawo. No, imoto ngayithola it cheap kakhulu, Kwid, which is around 3,600 3,600 monthly. Grand i10 lapho ko 4,000 4.5. Picanto nayo ngayithola around 4k. Ethos, you can get it around 4k, but the cheapest car you can get is Grand i10. Yes, I guess Sindiswa. That's the cheapest car you can get. No more nature's in mall, how magas gang inside for sure ngidla. Hey ma. Yo keys, yes, one keys is time to prove that angels still exist. Thank you so much. Manje mase ukhulile uzoba ushort omude or usugive pill. I gave up long time ago, shame the way heights, because I feel like she's doing grade 10. She's taller than me. I'm just there like, God, what did I do to you? But I feel like guys, yo. Yeah, manje ukusebenzeni because mandlula nje kumuntu ikhwapha. Yabo because vele ngilanga sekhwaphela. Hayi iphunga lekhwapha ngenizwa. Ngilizwe yabo. So I think give a pill shame. Yeah. Mama yasibhema my friend. No, angibhemi. Yini igama lelo uhleli kuyona shoot. Ngihleli kwi-MG3 guys. MG3 hybrid, so it uses petrol and electric. So yeah, please re-explain what you said about qualifying for a car. So if you are looking for a car, the requirements you need to have a 3 months bank statement, 3 months 3 months pay slip, ID and driver's license. If you don't have or if you are self-employed, then 3 months bank statement, ID and driver's license, and a driver's license, and then local, and then you need to have a credit score of 10, but you do take 580, and you need to you need to earn 7.5 monthly, yeah, bro.
umama besena ucela ukukhuluma nobhodi lo manager ulwaye kade ekhulume naye
ungutshanga
angazi kodwa nje umphathi wakhe uyena ade fonile izolo echecka indaba ukuthi senze njani indaba yemoto because bekunenkinga ade khona ebank.
Okay. Oh, singenza ngaphi? Ama-customer alwa. Uyabas?
Yeah.
Sanibona.
Nomizana. Ukubuza IKEA K2. IKEA K2 2700 tough truck icon.
IKEA
K2700.
sine X200 siyaka JC. That is more affordable and that has more features. So yes, it's ngitholela IKEA, but we have a JC that is going for 489,900. That comes standard with rubberizing, aircon, Bluetooth and leather interior, unlike K2 700s. Yes, come kanje sirubberizwe isi-right isiyinhle. So uzokusendela ithombe ushoti uyibone, but also if kuukuthi you want specifically the Kia nayo futhi singitholela yona. Iqhamuka futhi no cashback omnandi. Okay, to qualify for a car, udinga i-ID, kumele ube ne-ID, driver's license, bank statement ya 3 months, payslip ya 3 months. Yeah, and kumele ube ne-scoring sa-610 noma uhole u-7.5 kuya phezulu.
Thank you. Oh, okay. Yeah, senimzwile guys uzama echaza ukuthi khona ini nani. Mfana ka auntie. Okay. Ngifuna oyedwa la. Mupho yedwa. 2 rand. Yes, imoto bethu zila ko 2 rand. Samanamba kanjani? Ngiyaphila. Guys, imoto nje zila ko 2 rand ngitshengisa emini imoto lapha. Cheap. Homa 8%. Jesus Christ. Mama yazi mina nginenkinga. Ine party. So Sebenzela choosing mall. No, I'm Sebenza choosing mall, but I went there for prospecting, you know, because I into later a business to a dealership. So Shoti, how are you? I'm putting yourself on a Hyundai i20. Yes, I do have a Hyundai i20. How much is the Omota? So Omota go 369 and installment is a corner is 6,000 to 6.5 per month. How they iphume ngo-NSFAS angeke nje iziphume imoto ngo-NSFAS bafethu angeke nje zithandwa mina ngifuna lo uhleli kuyo MG3 hybrid. It's fine, you can get an MG3 hybrid. I need a Ford Raptor 2024. Alrighty. So we guys, E40 2024. Oh, yeah. Just yeah. Oh, I'm a customer. Oh, kodwa ungahlala khona la. Yebo. Ama-customer la.
Oh.
Okay. I'm just sitting here, guys. I was just so busy with customers. Uyababona Ocean lapho Ocean nabasebenzi guys basebenza ePortia Steam if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Abantu ngingamthola njani shoda hayibo musungitholile sikuba nani ama guys ngiyosabafana nina niya nelokhunj 1.5 imeme ngithe 1.5 ave ngikhuluma ngazi ngitheni 1.5 wenzeni. How much is the Omoda cash? So you 369 he Omoda 900 yebo. Ford Fiesta Vietnam ukhona wona seswami ngise-business license certificate okwamanje. Yes, singakutholela yona i-Ford Fiesta Sibusiso. Plan ukukhokha malini vele kodwa it's fine. I followed you, so we will talk more on TikTok and also WhatsApp. I mean ihavel ikhona iyona iu 4.5 installment monthly and iu 339 i-cash price yakhona. Good morning. Which car can I get for 5,000, especially iHavel? You can get iHavel yona 4.5 mama then chaza mama. You can get i20 is 5.5. MG ZS MG3 manual, which is like 4.5 monthly. You can get Equity Grand i10 noma yiphi umuntu obucabanga ngegasela. Magasela, so yeah, you can qualify for yona. Okay, if ever hangisaboni manje if cash corner you still need it local cash for it ke babas angisakhumbuli kosama ukuthi cash for while. Okay, let me just go back. Do you have a starter test? I do have a star cross. Okay, for the before my percentage dies. See now I got the Eastern Cross. Iphuma nayo leyo moto base iphuma nami imoto. Iza ne-kidop. Yes, i-X200 I have been a-kidop. But ke if for kidop then ke sizofaka lokho extras if ubukhuluma nge-X200 khona nes-Toyota Hilux yona iza nayo ke i-kidop customer nje khona yenze i-kidop for free. So nakuwe ke kuzodependa ukuthi uyifuna kanjani ke babazi. Manje ngizibiza ngoba okay, come to Botswana sis. When do you want me to be there? Izoza eBotswana kodwa nini? I may not understand, but you're pretty. Thank you so much, Katlo. Now, Usuzuki Swift, yes, now Suzuki Swift Nani, we do have Iago 5,500 to 6,000 per month. Suzuki Swift Standard. Okay, guys, you say imoto is a Reynolds Quid, which is 3.5 monthly. Here, so this one is a manual for like 3.5. Then there's the i20, which is around 6,000. Yeah, I have a busy i20 and I don't even know why I'm busy motor day. In like how am I? I'm busy in motor. Yeah, boy. So yeah, basically my venue, which is around 6.5. Venue ya corner. Then swinging in moto. So when I quit 40, this one is an automatic. I'm from London. What about South Africa? Here in London is very good. What is very good? i-Grand i10 with insurance estimated monthly installment singaba lapha ko 5,000 ngelunga i-Grand i10 because mostly i-Grand i10 is 4.5 about 4,000 to 4,500 and then with the insurance singaba lapha ko plus minus 5,000 if I'm not mistaken. It depends on the insurance you are taking, yabo. Yeah. So yeah, ilokho ke guys. Sibe ne-EcoSport and then sibe ne-Toyota Rava. I'm actually looking for a second. I'm a Etika guys are currently we do not have them here in stock. Like how we can floor plan. Yeah, like people for so on it's because I had days so shame like Etika because people need it for transportation. Anyways, yes, China, but I'll check it out for you, China, and get back. Lami lingalihle ngingalihle ngiyakhona yini sis. Yes mama, if igama lakho li right nje awu imoto nje ozoyilandela yona iphi omoto yazi ngifuna ngitshengise omoto guys ukuthi ikanjani ayibo ayinhle kanje omoto nakhona nje ne-installment size so sihle which is around like 6,000 nje monthly. How much is the Omoda luxury? So Omoda yona luxury is okay. So Omoda luxury is around like 7.8 installment with a cash price of 429. Yeah, well. So a phone number. How much is the family car? Which family car are you looking for, Sandra? How much is okay? Yeah, I think it's in Pendulene. Oh shit, because I can't even see properly, yabo. Yeah, I'm born okay. Let's say you have half of the amount of the car you want, but your credit score is bad. Can they still offer you like half of the amount? That means you have to buy it cash. Yeah, well, you cannot buy it with installment. You need to buy a model in cash. You pay half for now and half later until you finish paying. Yeah, well, we cannot because your income level, first of all, it's not good. Yeah, well. So we wouldn't offer you che ikamela calling it correct, yabo. So yeah, so it's best to just buy imoto cash if was got ukuthi nje yo igama liyabheda yabo lento le. So yeah, okay guys, asithembe ukuthi nginiphendulile imoto nayo nifuna ukuyithenga. So you need to have 3 months bank statement, 3 months pay slip, your ID, your driver's license, and your 82044 8688. PIN. So give a fade too. Mama, I'll take charge your phone. Yeah, my friend today, he looked me with some kwenzakalayo. Take a charge. Ngale bukan ngizongihlukumeza
kuyafana nje ngiyozithalela la live
ngizothi ngizotidonsa nje ithi 10% bese ngibatshengisa i-MG
ngathi nje ukuthenga mhlawumbe ngizothenga MG usuka le wasina charge usuza la
bethe ngithi ngihambisa ama-customer ngale
nama kwenza live ngale usuzongithenga uzotshengisa
I will see a charge at least ringing. I'm gonna pin Julie. These are your numbers. No, number my manager. So you're gonna contact her on WhatsApp. Usho tufuni moto. Yabon. Yeah. Okay, yeah. How's that, girl?
Hi guys, this is Luyanda and she's always on my neck every single time, and you guys can attest to that. For my own charger. My girl.
Because I'm
Hi.
You're always bullying me, Mos. Who
always bullying each other?
You, Malini Tens.
What was I with? Guys, ngicela abantu ngitshela short ayikungihlupha emsebenzini. Mezela izodayisa imoto. Nithenga imoto kuyena. Efike kumina ezobuza ngamadeal ukuthi umuntu kanjena ngiphendula kanjani engafikilana ezongihlupha ngoba uyahlupha shame usesweni. Hayi ngoba usesweni. Ngokuthi ganini.
Oh, thawuna ngizima hafethu umzibela nomoya uba umadleka. Malini ngithezi bethu nxebe mina bethu angazi ngayidayisa ithezi, so I'm not sure. No. It is very checking
Labo asinayo ithezi Nkosi yami asedayisi futhi.
Anidayisa ithezi? Why?
Ayikho. So thatha ithezi.
How bet?
How?
Customer amphele full ithezi.
Ama customer check customer lakho ukuthi sidayisa imoto ezintsha. Hayi ezintsha.
It's kanjani.
Asidayisa first wagcina ngibona ithezi.
Yokathi ngagcina ngibona ithezi yezwa. Nayi why ufuna ithezi vele? Emadleka bethu hayi ufuna ithezi.
Ubani?
Madleka.
First, please don't entertain professional time wasters. What are you wasting your time?
Amazi Madleka?
Udlala ngawe. Let me see. Madleka, please. Don't waste. Let me see. Oh no, it's not the. No, it's not. It's not who I thought it was. Sorry. Askis Madleka. Again, a lot ngicabanga ukuthi uyena Nkosi yami. I am so sorry. Lapho sengizenga ngibiza nge-time waster. I'm sorry bakithi. I am so sorry. Saphumile kusesweni ngizotela nami, but ama-test guys now. We don't have ama-test. Sinemoto ezintsha. Not necessarily new vehicles, but we do sell pre-owned. But kumele kube ukuthi imoto at least ngo-2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. If indala mhlawumbe kube 2020, but most of 2019, 2018 asinayo Nkosi yami. Mina ngizomela ngibambe le phone kanjena because iya charger with my tripod. Because angeke phela. I cannot. Also lengani wayizongishare ni live mina lana. Ngiyabona nje sebenza nama 2K guys. Sebenza nama 2K, it's a full-time job. Where's shorty basic yam 800 because I'm musandlala no shorty sabona crush yam isaphumile crush yakho sabona sisomuhle hello uyena lobuyitshela ukuthi uyena yazi nami sengibonile ukuthi uyena but angazi noma usakho na yini lana hello mphathi But it's Saturday, but bazocela ukuyibona uma iphuma ngithi soyidilivela kuyi-used car floor. Even if it's a demo. Okay, alright. Ngizofaka lapha phakathi. Guys, I need to go. We're short! She's still with the customer. Yiphi imoto eninazo lapho? We have MG Nkosi yami. Nje we have MG. Guys, imoto esinazo sine MG. Kuma MG you can get the MG ZS, you can get the MG HS, you can get MG3, you can get MG ZS Pro. So izona imoto lezi sinazo, and MG3 it's like a size of an i20. You get manually, you get automatic. And then the MG ZS if you're gonna go to corner ZS Comfort, corner ZS Luxury. So two ZS automatic. And then we're gonna MG ZS Pro, which is the Pro of the ZS. It's a little bit bigger than the ZS. And then the Luxury Connect has a sunroof. And yeah. And then now if to total comfort, total luxury. They're both auto. And then from there we have MG's HS, which is the bigger one that looks aggressive. And that one you can get in a corner, comfort and luxury, but even the comfort is more luxurious on the HS, I'm not gonna lie, because you get the 360-degree camera on the comfort as well as on the luxury. The only difference is the speakers inside, and also the fact that the other one has wireless charging, the other one has front PDCs, the other one has an electric tailgate, while the other in a manual tailgate. And then we're going to have the customer guys who share live. I think so end up in a live. You know end up in a live. Guys. But I need to go because Milling you land more for it delivery. Here's my OOTD. Yeah. Guys, thinking among Hambala, the phone is on fish. So, and I cannot leave you guys here. It's fine. I'll take it. I'll take it with me. I need to make sure that I remove this vehicle, Lana, and put a customer because the customer's here. It's the VIN number. Sengiyangishada mase sihlala sobabili nesithando sami. Yeah, sengithole iraf la egcekeni. Guys, we are hleli customer. Mina ngishiye no live wakhe. Ngithini bani manje stock number ngithe 8 ngithe 084.
Login successfully.
084. Guys, ngisho ukuthi uninonke ni 178 ayikho nje umuntu ofuna ukuthenga imoto noma akekho umuntu owazi umuntu ofuna ukuthenga imoto. Okay guys, ngizonenzela i-unveiling now. Ngizobeka i-camera la ngihambe ngiyoreveala imoto. Ngiyangizwa ukuthi ngithini. Ngisho ushoda ngiyaza nenzele leyo. Ayikho neyodwa uqala kuthi. Hi Nebo. Hello guys. How? Oh. What? Angivula imoto la 3 5 4 3. Okay, 5 4 3 2 Van. Kumele ngingenele i-customer lakho. Silivela la. Wait. Oh, back. Santaba kanjani?
And manje ngizothatha because ikhona abantu abahamba ngayo so bazobuya Friday Saturday I mean
Ay, imali yami ngisasayithola yini?
ihamba nini moto yeah until Saturday until 25 is on but until Saturday yeah so le ngizoyikhipha le ngifake la epakhingi then sifake le simbozo uthi uma bephuma lapha sibatshengise isho ila smash yabona ila ezosho yabo guys ngiyandithanda mina ngiyadansela ngizokhipha le moto lena this is the MGZS Comfort sizofaka i-MGZS luxury right yes and you guys are gonna watch me move this vehicle out of the showroom right mina wena angiveli I don't know mina ngibekilive mfethu alona shibidi it's a live video ngiyabona nje lokunyuka yo ncebo yo sengena chaza ngani ukuthi ngiyazi imoto zoyithenga Okay, I'm done with the comforts. Now the luxury is coming in. Woza. Konja, chinga. Mangulana, eno! Awuta la pesa sucheka kagaga. Awu! Hayi sisi. Hayi wayithenge Pick n Pay ngeke. Awu ngeke mfethu.
That's my customer.
Which one?
I'm not like,
As I said, we walk in.
that's my customer.
Singibekela. Ngeho mashavethu yazi wena awungithatha serious. Mina I take you serious. And I listen, yabo. Yabona kulwa ama customer sephumile manje kumele ngiwavale. Ngeke sivale imoto ikwazi ukuvala ngeke. We need to close. We need to Mphathi. Sasa ngosi phathi. guys, ngifuna ukunitshengisa uLuyanda noNtuzana. Bazoqhamuka la hamba ne-customer lakhe. Naba ya. Awungiphi i-Grand i10? Angeke ngize ngikwazi ukupha i-Grand i10, ngizokwazi ukupha i-MG. Not the Grand i10. Okay guys, bye bye.